Hi guys, I'm Beibei. You all love pandas, right? Do you know how long the history of panda is? We've been on Earth for some 8 million years and have witnessed countless changes in the world. Some people call us living fossils, but in fact, not only pandas, there are many other animals that also deserve such a reputation. Throughout history, animals and humans have always had an intimate and complex relationship. Today, let us check it out in an exhibition of marvelous creatures, animals in cultural relics together. Let's go! Wow, look at them! Do you think they look familiar? From these artifacts, we can see that since the Han Dynasty or even earlier, there have been many animals that have been closely associated with humans, such as these dogs, pigs, chickens, horses. They became great helpers and good friends to mankind and played an important role in human production and life. Wow, look, this piece of artwork uses a unique jade carving technique called 校色巧雕, which refers to the use of the color and texture of the jade itself to make carvings. Doesn't it look like a chick breaking out of an egg? In traditional Chinese mythology, there's a giant named Pan Gu who, according to legend, broke an egg-shaped place with a giant axe, separating the sky and the earth and creating the world. The scene of breaking out of the shell always seems to symbolize hope and the beginning of a new life. Is this little chick also the Pan Gu of its own world? Wow, the fluttering butterflies! It seems that since ancient times, butterflies have been a symbol of beauty and elegance. So there are butterfly patterns on these beautiful shawls. You know what? The Chinese character Hu, which refers to butterfly, has a similar pronunciation to the character Fu, which means happiness. Thus, the butterfly is endowed with the meaning of happiness or auspiciousness. Wow, look at here! Look at those huge plates. What animals are on it? Wow, that's bat! In Chinese, bat is 蝙蝠, in which fu and fu are homophonic. Therefore, bats also bear the meaning of blessing and longevity. We can see that since ancient China, animals have been endowed with many meanings. Being continuously integrated with human culture, animals have appeared in all kinds of articles, such as shells, bowls, plates, and ornaments. Wow, here are the strong and powerful friends. Wow! Tigers and lions have been the king of the forest since ancient times. Look, there are lions in different periods. Although the lion has always been a symbol of strength, the image of lions in the Ming and Qing dynasties are very different. I believe that people in different periods have different perspectives on animals, so that the animals presented in cultural relics have been evolving with the changing times. This is really interesting, isn't it? Wow, these are my relatives, bears. We giant pandas boast a history of 8 million years, but why do I hardly find pandas in ancient cultural relics? I've got an expert here today, and I think he can answer my questions. 你好，周老师。
你好，贝贝，欢迎来到成都自然博物馆、成都理工大学博物馆。
周老师，刚刚我自己在这里逛了一圈啊，我发现这儿很有意思。但是我有一个疑问，为什么在古代文物中看不到咱们熊猫呢？
哎，贝贝，这个问题你的想法它其实并不准确。因为在我们古代的这个历史的记载中间，大熊猫它这个物种它是存在的，但它只是称呼，它不叫大熊猫。相传在炎黄之争的时候，蚩尤的坐骑就是我们现在所叫称的大熊猫。后来的这个历史中，我们的《诗经》《尚书》其实对大熊猫都有记载，只是在这2本 古籍中被称之为皮和白皮。在我们的这个展柜里面有一熊，它就是皮。后来的这个历史中，汉、唐、晋、明、清对大熊猫都有记载和描述，只是呢不称之为大熊猫。
哦，原来是这样啊。那您能够再给我们介绍一下这次展览的重点和设计理念这些吗？
这次展览的话，我们要向观众展示动物与古人生活生产密切相关，以及给观众要阐释我们人类应该对动物有一种非常强烈的保护意识，因为它们是我们的朋友，是我们的伙伴。
在今天的展出现场啊，我看到一个展品叫太平有象。我记得在我们之前的节目中啊，也有熊猫观察员在香港故宫文化博物馆看到过一个作品，也叫太平有象。那周老师，您能给我们介绍一下太平有象这个概念，以及我们今天现场的这件作品吗？
太平有象的这个概念啊，它在我们这个中国历代的这个文化中，在老百姓的心目中，它其实就是一个吉祥平安的概念。这个代表着我们老百姓对于生活的希冀，对于我们吉祥的期盼。
谢谢周老师的介绍。在我们自然界中啊，动物与人类是好朋友，共享着地球家园。而在人类文化中，动物不仅仅是动物，它们在人类历史的长河中发挥着重要的作用，因而被赋予了丰富的寓意。希望我们动物与人类继续和谐共处，共同保护自然，让世界更加缤纷多彩。熊猫观察，下次见。